For startup, let's fill our tank first. Close the drain valve by turning this handle perpendicular to the valve. Next, loosen the two brass nuts on the return sanitary fitting here with a 5/8 wrench. Remove the nuts completely by hand. Then remove the sanitary fitting. And set the return line to the side. Now, place a funnel in the return port of the tank. Then, begin filling the tank with the process fluid. Remove the funnel, replace the return line, and reinstall the clamp. Once these fittings are hand-tight, use your 5/8 wrench to finish tightening these nuts. Ensure the clamps are tight. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten the nuts on each clamp. Next, refer to Sterlitech MPD channel for information on how to connect your cell or housing of choice. Here, we have a SEPA cell. First, ensure the regulating valve on a regulator is turned fully counterclockwise and relieved. Open up the outlet valve by turning it fully counterclockwise, then open up your tank by turning it counterclockwise. Close off the vent relief valve by turning it fully clockwise. Now, we can increase the flow rate through the system by pulling to unlock the regulator on the faceplate and then turning this regulator clockwise until we reach the desired flow rate, referring to the flow meter here on the left. The flow meter will oscillate, so refer to the average between the 2 points. Once we have our desired flow rate, increase the system pressure by referring to both the feed pressure gauge, the concentrate pressure gauge, and the outlet gauge here on the regulator. Increase the pressure by turning the regulator handle clockwise until we reach the set pressure. Here, I'll be targeting 300 psi. When you finish your experiment, begin by relieving the pressure regulating valve by turning it fully counterclockwise. Next, reduce the flow rate to 0 by turning the regulator on the faceplate fully counterclockwise. From here, we can also open our relief port by turning this counterclockwise. Once the pressure is relieved, close your gas cylinder by turning it fully clockwise. Finally, drain your system by turning your drain valve in line with the valve.